Well, I got nothing.
Yep, me neither. But we gotta think of something because Feast is only in a few days.
We gotta do something that we've never done before. What have we never done before?
Skydive. Oh, wait, like for the video? Well, we should probably just do something simple like text or.
Yeah, but we've already done text.
True.
Something we've never done. Oh, we've never done a jingle before.
Ah!
What would we sing?
Come to feast, bring a treat and leave your yeast. Come to feast, where there's lots of friends to meet. Come to feast, and we have delicious meat. Goat and lamb, but not ham, we just want to see your family. Bread that's unleavened, my favorite sugar lemon. So leave soon and get the car all packed. And don't forget the matzo crack.
Wait! How are we gonna write lyrics, come up with music, and film the whole thing?
Yep, text it is. And don't forget the matzo crack.